Good morning, children. Today we are starting lesson number 14, that is biomolecules. Biomolecules, what are biomolecules? The molecules which are present in the living system are known as biomolecules. So, in living system, be it plants or animals, some chemical are present and chemical reactions are also going on. So, the study of those chemical reactions and those chemicals is known as biochemistry, and the molecules which are present in the living body, be it plants or animals or anything, it is known as biomolecules. So living system is made up of various complex biomolecules. Some of them we are well aware of. They are carbohydrate, protein, nucleic acids, lipids, etc. Carbohydrates, where we have heard about carbohydrates, the compounds like rice, wheat, they all contain carbohydrates. Fruits like apple, banana, they contain carbohydrates. Protein, pulses, legumes, all these contain eggs. Non-vegetarian things are containing the proteins. What are nucleic acids? Two type of nucleic acids you may have heard, that is DNA and RNA, that is present in our body in the cells, that is known as nucleic acids, deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid. Lipids, what are lipids? Fat is known as lipids. So in our body fat is present as lipids. Then first one I will explain you, that is what are carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are produced by plants. First point, produced by plants. Okay, and very large group of naturally occurring organic compounds. Some examples of carbohydrates are sugar जो हम खाते हैं, that is cane sugar, then glucose, then starch, etc. Most of them have a general formula CxH2OY. CxH2OY ऐसा जनरल फॉर्मूला है. Most carbohydrates general formula. बट पहले इसलिए इसको बोलते थे हाइड्रेटेड फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बन, हाइड्रेट्स ऑफ कार्बन, फ्रॉम वेयर द नेम कार्बोहाइड्रेट. ये क्या है? हाइड्रेटेड मतलब वाटर लगा है ना, सो हाइड्रेटेड कार्बन in earlier days, right? But nowadays it is found that all the carbohydrates are not in this form. Like if we talk about जैसे एग्जाम्पल लो, मॉलिकुलर फार्मूला ऑफ ग्लूकोज क्या है? ग्लूकोज इज C6H12O6. So we can write it, glucose can be written as CX यानी H2O6. Now if you see C6H12O6, C6H12O6, it is hydrated carbon. But if we talk about acetic acid, all the compounds may not be like acetic acid. So if acetic acid formula, if you remember, CH3COOH, okay, तो CH3 यानी दो कार्बन है, C2H2O whole 4, okay, so C2H2O whole 2, you see C2H2 to the 4 and 2, but it is not a carbohydrate, but it is not a carbohydrate. So it is not true that general formula is CxH2OY, right? एक शुगर है रैमनोज शुगर. रैमनोज शुगर इज रैमनोज फॉर्मूला लान रखना है हमें, रैमनोज शुगर. सो व्हाट इज रैमनोज शुगर फॉर्मूला? C6H12O5. So you see, this does not fit in. It is not like CxH2OY, but it is a carbohydrate. That means it is not true that it is in the form of CxH2OY, hydrated carbon. Then comes a large number of their reactions have shown that they contain particular functional groups. Carbohydrates are optically active polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketone. Carbohydrates are optically active polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketones. It is interesting to know that glucose formula is C6H12O6. Fructose is also C6H12O6, but it is aldohexose. Should I write here? Aldohexose, and it is ketohexose. Okay, that means here functional group is aldehyde. Functional group is aldehyde, but here functional group is ketone. So we see that though the formula is same, but functional groups are different. Okay. Some of the carbohydrates which are sweet in taste are known as sugars. The most common sugar is sucrose. Some carbohydrates which are sweet in taste, are called sugars. Okay. Like sucrose, sugar used at home, but which we use at home. और दूसरा मिल्क शुगर को क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? लैक्टोज. ओज सफिक्स लगा होता है, याद रखना, ओज. ठीक है ना. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स आर क्लासिफाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर बिहेवियर एंड हाइड्रोलिसिस. सो क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. Carbohydrates. The classification of carbohydrates में first one आएगा on the basis of their behavior on hydrolysis. यानी आफ्टर हाइड्रोलाइसिस वो क्या देते हैं उस पर डिपेंड करता है उनका क्लासिफिकेशन. So first one is monosaccharide. Mono means one. Okay. So a carbohydrate that cannot be hydrolyzed further to give simpler unit of polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketone is called a monosaccharide. About 20 monosaccharides are known to occur in nature. Some examples of glucose, fructose, ribose, which can't be hydrolyzed further. यह सिंपलेस्ट यूनिट है ना, हाइड्रोलाइज फर्दर. ओके. एग्जाम्पल्स आर ग्लूकोज, देन फ्रक्टोज, देन राइबोज. Okay. About 20 monosaccharides are known. About 20 monosaccharides are known that cannot be further hydrolyzed. So they are the simplest carbohydrates. Second one is disaccharide. Yeah, oligosaccharides. What are oligosaccharides? जो हाइड्रोलिसिस के बाद 2 to 10 मोनोसैकेराइड यूनिट्स आफ्टर हाइड्रोलिसिस they give 2 to 10 monosaccharides. They are known as oligosaccharides. They are further classified as दो देंगे तो डाइसेक्राइड, 3 देंगे तो ट्राइसेक्राइड, 4 देंगे तो टेट्रासेक्राइड्स एटसेट्रा. So 2 units disaccharide, right, 3 trisaccharide, 4 tetrasaccharide, etc. right? Depending upon the number of monosaccharides. अगर 2 monosaccharides दिया तो disaccharide 3 after hydrolysis if 3 monosaccharides are produced then it is trisaccharides, 4 then tetrasaccharides, etc. Among these the most common are disaccharide. The 2 monosaccharide unit join on the to make the disaccharide may be sometimes different. Like दोनों unit same हो जरूरी नहीं है. Like 1 molecule of sucrose on hydrolysis gives 1 molecule of glucose and 1 molecule of fructose. Okay, that means both the units are same. That is not compulsory. Like if we talk about sucrose, it is a disaccharide. So on hydrolysis it can give 1 molecule of glucose and 1 molecule of fructose. Then comes maltose है. Like अगर sucrose ये sucrose है and maltose disaccharide. It is made up of only 2 molecules of glucose. 2 molecules, same molecules. 2 molecules of glucose. Then third one is polysaccharide. First is monosaccharide. Second is oligosaccharide. 2 to 10 monosaccharides are joined together. And 10 से ऊपर हो तो polysaccharides. Third one is in case of polysaccharides which yield a large number of monosaccharide on unit after hydrolysis, they yield a large number of monosaccharide units, saccharides. Some examples are cellulose, glycogen, example glycogen, then gums, etc. Polysaccharides are not sweet in taste, hence they are also known as non-sugars. लिखेंगे non-sugars as they are not sweet. Sweet means taste in sweet, देखने में नहीं. Okay. Now tomorrow I will tell you in detail about these monosaccharides, disaccharides and polysaccharides. Okay. Thank you.